Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you create a custodial sub account into your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to make a custodial sub account means you can be parental for that account and you can give it to your children's or any other person to learn tradings or things like that. Now, in order to create that, you just simply have to open your browser into desktop mode. Then after that, you just simply have to go tap into your profile, and after that you will get this option of sub accounts. Select sub accounts. Sorry, I mistakenly selected settings. Now go back to sub accounts, and after selecting sub accounts you will get to see this create button into the top right side. Just simply tap to create button, and then you will get to see this option of custodial trading sub account. Simply tap to that, and after tapping into that, you will just simply have to tap to this sub account name and enter a suitable name for your sub account, and enter a note if you would like to enter any of the note into your sub account. I'm entering the name as trader1, and I don't want to enter any notes right now, so I say just thank you and tap to create button. And after this, your custodial sub account will successfully be created. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.